Alright guys, so today I found a new video. This video is a vine. Let's see what happens when I click on this vine.
Just walking through the forest. Oh my god, a woodpecker!
That's what my feed is today. Lost faith in the internet right now. Yeah. Basically today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a 1.6.2, sorry. 1.6.2, Minecraft server. Basically, show you guys some of the things that you're going to need. You're gonna want to go to Bucket. This is an edit, by the way, because in my last video, I was making a video and it did not copyright or something like that. I'm not sure. Anyways, let's get it done here. Okay, so you're gonna go to Get Craft Bucket, and then you're gonna get this Windows, this right here. You're gonna want that, and then you're gonna go to Google and type in dl.bucket. And then you're gonna go get bucket right here, dl.bucket.org, and then you're gonna get the recommended build. If there's no recommended build, get the developmental. Do not get the beta. Beta sucks. It'll lag a lot. So will developmental, but at least developmental has minimum bugs and it has a little bit less lag. Unless you're a server hoster, then you'll be having no lag at all if you're server hosting, unless they're not updated to 1.6.2. So now we're gonna go and make a folder. I'm gonna name this one YouTube, and then we're gonna open that folder, new, and then a new text document, and name it YouTube server start, or whatever you want to name it. Does not matter. You can name it start, whatever. You're gonna copy that stuff in there. You can usually just right click and hit paste or Control V. If you want it offline mode, you type in false, but I'm gonna keep it untrue. And then you can change the memory here. I usually change mine to 2048. That's how much I load up in mine. So, and make sure it's craftbucket.jar. Oh crap, my bad. I always do that. You have to save as, and then save it as a .bat file, or else it won't work. Just delete that other file, and then we're gonna go to our downloads, and there it is right there, Craft Bucket right there. And then we're gonna go back to our desktop, back to YouTube, and then put it in there. Control V, or you can just drag it, whatever you want to do. Then we're gonna rename it to just Craft Bucket, or whatever you want. But whatever's in your bat file, I'll show you. Whatever's in here has to be. So let's say I name this right here YouTube 01. I have to go in here and rename this to YouTube 01. It has to be the name of it in there, and you have to always have .jar. Now we're gonna start it. You're gonna get a bunch of files in your folder, and you're gonna wait for it to start up fully until we stop it. Cause you guys have to do other things. While that's starting up, we're gonna go back to our internet, and you're gonna need to port forward. Show you guys how to port forward. Basically, what you do is go to CMD, IP config. And then you're gonna take your gateway, default gateway, and put it into your browser. Hit enter. Enter your password. Mine is admin. I don't know about you guys's, but if somebody could put a comment link for them down below. And you're gonna want to port forward 25565. I'm using 58882. I'm gonna change it for the purpose of this video. Then you're gonna save settings. You're gonna go to security and disable firewall protection so people can actually connect to your server. And you're gonna do that too. So now you're gonna need the IPv4 address. You're gonna need that address, and if it changes, you're gonna want to set it as a static IP. If you do not do that, then it will fail. So let's get this going. So now once the server's fully loaded, as you see right here, it says done. We're going to stop it, and we're going to go into your little server thing. I'm going to edit it, and as you see, mine's big, and I'm going to change it to your port. Change that port, and then where's querying? True. Enable query if you're using a different port. Server IP, you're going to put your IPv4 address. Mine is 120, just for the sake of this video. I'm going to change it, and you can have whitelist, online mode. Oh, and if you change it in your bat file, you have to change it here too. We're going to disable PvP for now. Max players, I can hold up to 1,000, so I'm not really gonna do anything with that right now. We're gonna close that, and we're gonna start up our server. Once you have started up, let's get into Minecraft here. I'll show you guys how to download add-ons too. You see it says query running on 192.168, 5882. Usually query also helps for hackers and stuff like that. Oh shoot. Alright. Yeah. I have 2 hosts, so this is mine right here. As you see, it says 5882 at the end. Join the server. Shouldn't be very it shouldn't be laggy that much, but as you see, I'm in. So I can break stuff. Now you have server. All you gotta do is when you give your friends your IP, you have to give them the one at IP. I'll show you guys. One at ipchicken.com. This IP is what you're gonna give them, and then at the end you're gonna do the colon, and then 58882 or whatever port you're using for your port forward. What you can also do is go to noip.com if you want to make it easy. Go to noip.com, sign up. I already have an account, and then you're gonna hit add a host, and then you're gonna name it Minecraft YouTube or whatever you want to name it. Let's say my name's Kyle. My name's not actually Kyle. Kyle's server, and then whatever you want for here, blogstyle.com. And then what you're going to do is when you create that host, you're going to go into here, multiplayer, direct connect. You're going to type in Kyle's server .bloghost.com colon 25565 if that's your port. Let's say your port is 48281. You can use that too. It doesn't matter. But that's basically what you're going to do. Once you add the host, you're going to hit add host. Oh crap. You're going to hit add host, whatever you want to call it, and it'll be down there. But I don't want that host, so we're going to remove it. And I don't want that host either. So basically, that's what happens. So yeah, that's my tutorial, and hope you guys. Oh, and if you want plugins, I forgot to tell you guys. If you want some plugins, all you gotta do is just go to bucket.org. Go to get plugins, and then type in whatever plugin you want. You can also, there's tabs on the side if you want some other plugins. I'm gonna get essentials, as you see. You're gonna open it up, and then you need to. I'm gonna minimize that stuff. It'll open as soon as it's done. See, it's right here. We're gonna go into the plugins folder. If you don't have a plugins folder, then you're gonna have to look into that. I'll post another video about it. Probably. I'm not sure. If you don't have a plugins folder, my guess is just make another folder that says plugins, and you should be all good. When you put those plugins in while the server's running, you're gonna type in reload, and it'll reload with all essentials. as you see. That's basically it. Anything else? When you go to whitelist, you need to go into this little document right here. It says white-list and type in their name. So mine, and then let's say Kyle, and then you have to type in their username for Minecraft, and it'll whitelist them. Or you could go whitelist right here, and then the name. Oh, you have to do, oops, add. You do whitelist on, whitelist, add Gabe Feller, or whatever your name is, whatever its name is, and then that's it. So I'm gonna stop the server because we're not gonna be on that server. But you know, I hope you guys have a good day. If you guys want to check out my my Minecraft server, you can. Is that 1.6? No, it's not. Okay. But yeah, if you guys want to check it out, I'll leave the server IP in the description below. So yeah, hope you guys have a good day.